Hi guys, so finally I am discharged from the hospital and I welcome you to the health channel from Ek Nazar Foundation, and I'm making this video again to be fit and give you examples on how to be fit. As in my last video I told you I was one of the most carefree guy on the earth, smoking, drinking, junk food, and now I want to get rid of it. And the reason is, all of a sudden when I got myself tested, I got diagnosed with diabetes 2, type 2 diabetes, high sugar. And yes, today in this video I'll be showing you on how to check your sugar level at home. There are certain tests, A1C test, and there are certain tests which I will name in the comment box, which you will get done from the microbiologist labs such as Healthians or Path Lab. I'm not promoting them, but yes, they are good, and because they give you exact figure of your blood sugar level in your body. And at home you can get an idea from certain machines, like I have got this AccuCheck machine, and I'll show you on how to use this machine. And not only yourself, but you have to take care of your entire family and keep on regular check on your sugar. So let's begin. I will show you on how to use AccuCheck Instant. Thank you. Okay, so let us begin with AccuCheck Instant. So there are many sugar level checking devices in the chemist available, but I chose this AccuCheck Instant, which you can see here. And this is a small device, so it will come with a packet which will have some manuals in it. You can read on how to do that also, but these are very lengthy manuals. So let me show you what I got. This comfortable pack in which I can keep my machine safe. I get this AccuCheck Instant machine. So right now this is off, and it has a charging point here. So you also get one pen with it. Apart from that, you have to get a packet of strips. This is how it looks like. So this will not be a part of the AccuCheck Instant, but you'll get one packet free with this, and you can buy the another packets also. And these AccuCheck needles, this is also not included in the packet, so you have to buy it separately. So do not forget these items. Get one kit, AccuCheck pen you will get with it. Separately you have to get the pen needle and a strip. And now I will tell you how to use it. So you can see this is a pen, AccuCheck Soft Click. It has numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 1 to 5 numbers are because you have this has a cap. You can open it, and these numbers are like it depends on the hardness of the skin. So you have to puncture your skin to pull out some blood, which will be checked for blood sugar level. So normally I keep it for 3. So I pull out the cap and keep it aside. And here, so I'll pull out a needle here. And now, before touching anything, make sure you have some cotton and a spirit available. The purpose is to clean the devices, you clean your hands. If possible, you can get a pair of gloves. So that will do. So I have already sanitized my hand before picking my finger. So this is the Accu-Chek instant needle. So you have to rotate it. This is the needle. So you can rotate it. Keep it aside because you will need this later. You cannot throw the syringe and the needle anywhere like this, not even in the dustbin. So when you pull this out, keep it safe because you have to re-plug it in so nobody else get harmed from this needle. Pick up the pen and like this, insert the needle. Put back the cap. Make it to number 3 and you see this one. So and this you have to press from bottom. So the yellow mark here, I hope you can see. So this yellow mark here means that the needle is ready to be plugged in. Keep it aside and now pull out a strip. And now this is the strip. It has a two-end design, which is a one end shows the circuit type and one end shows the yellow color. So the circuit type should be up. As per this machine, circuit type should be up. Place it in the machine. Yellow end should be out. Like this. This is ready to take out blood. So I'll pick up the pen, a finger. I will press this yellow gently on my finger. And my finger will bring out the blood. Squeeze enough blood so it cover up the yellow part in the machine. And now the machine is thinking. So my sugar is 215. So I have my sugar level which is 215 now. And this is post meal. And now take some cotton, cover up your blood. Keep a box, a container with you so you can dispose the needle, syringe and the strips in that box. So what I will do is now how to pull out the needle back. So I'll pull out the cap like this. We have to pull this pen up so it will throw the needle out. So do it very safely. When you throw it, gently close the needle in the cap which you got with it. Put it in a container. Put the stripe in the container. Close the container tightly. keep it aside, keep the cotton back, and it will close automatically. And the good thing is this AccuCheck Instant has inbuilt app, so which I will show you now, which is called My Sugar app. You will get My Sugar diabetes app and blood sugar tracker. So when you install it, open it, this is the logo, sign it with your email, logbook. So you have to set up, like on this machine there is a button at side, long press it, you will see the Bluetooth icon finding the app. Okay, and this will scan this app. Just tap on ready, this icon. So this is ready to sync with this. So My Sugar app sync the blood sugar levels with the machine, so you don't have to manually write in the diary. So it keeps a tracker with it. So this is all for today. So this is all. I hope you like the video, and I'm really happy my sugar is down to 215 today, and as it was of 300 earlier, and I was not even aware. So I will really request you, with folded hands, get yourself checked, your sugar, BP, your basic aspects of your body. So get it checked and keep your sugar in control. भाइयों और बहनों, मैं आपसे निवेदन कर रहा हूँ, इंग्लिश में कर चुका हूँ, अब मैं हिंदी में कर रहा हूँ, हमें नहीं पता चलता हमारी बॉडी में क्या जा रहा है जब तक कि कोई बम ना फूटे। तो मेरे अंदर शुगर का बम फूटा। आज से 5 दिन पहले मैं बहुत खुश था। बियर, सिगरेट, जंक फूड, मोमोज, पिज़्ज़ा, पास्ता, मैं कितनी आसानी से सारे नाम गिना सकता हूँ, बट खाने में शायद ही मैं कुछ सब्जियों के नाम गिना पाऊँ। मगर हाँ, वो मेरी बहुत बड़ी गलती थी। मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप में से कोई दोहराए। आप अपनी फैमिली का, अपने बच्चों का, अपने बुजुर्गों का, अपना स्वयं खुद ध्यान रखें और अपना टेस्ट कराएं। शुगर, बीपी, ये 2 तो करा ही लें। और शुगर के लिए तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया, कमेंट में लिख दूंगा क्या क्या टेस्ट होते हैं। और बेसिक चीज़ होती है घर में छोटे छोटे डिवाइस रखना हेल्थ के। मेरे पास वेट मशीन भी है, अब मेरे पास बीपी भी थी, अब मेरे पास शुगर भी है। तो अब एटलीस्ट मैं 30 साल का हूँ, तो मैं चेक रखूँगा अपनी शुगर पे। आई होप आई बी फिट समडे। नमस्कार।